Meet our provider, Donna Johnson, psychiatric nurse practitioner, Cumberland and Turtle Lake clinics. What got you started in the healthcare field?
I came to psychiatry because I was working in public health and in corrections and just saw the need, saw so much need and so much impact from the lack of behavioral health services, the lack of substance use services, and knew that by advancing my career further, I could have a greater impact than what I was having doing what I was doing.
How would you describe your philosophy of care?
Really believe in that collaborative care with my patient's family. I think that it's important that we build that relationship together, and together we come up with the solutions that are best treatment for them.
What drew you to work at North Lakes?
It's like a dream come true. Being in public health for all the years that I was, it's a real encompassing care where we look at the whole person and the whole community. North Lakes has that same philosophy. People aren't in a vacuum. You look at the whole person and all of their needs, and that's like a dream come true to me, to be able to look at people and patients and individuals in that way and not only focus on their psychiatric symptoms, but to look at them as a whole person and be able to address that whole person for them.
What does the North Lakes Community Clinic mission mean to you?
It means that I, as a provider, am blessed to be able to have the opportunity to treat the whole person and that whole dynamic family unit and look at them in that all-encompassing way.
What advice would you give to your patients prior to seeing you?
It's not going to be as bad as they're worried about. You know, oftentimes patients are so nervous before these type of appointments, especially if they've never seen a mental health provider, a psychiatric provider before. Relax. We're going to talk together. We're going to work together. I'm never going to make you do something that you're not comfortable doing. I'm not here to judge you. Relax and just don't put off the appointment. Come and see me and we're going to do great together.
What are your professional interests?
I love treating kids and their families. You know, we don't treat children in a vacuum. We treat them with their families, with their guardians, you know, and when I see children, I love seeing them with their parents, with their guardians. I also have a strong interest in treating women that are prenatal, they're pregnant, and in that postpartum period.
What are some of your hobbies?
My husband and I love to go antiquing. Not big buyers. It's not like our house is packed full of them, but we just love to go and wander through and see things, and it brings back so many memories of, you know, being in Grandma and Grandpa's house when you're a kid and those kind of things. And then we love to travel. You know, we do a lot of our traveling with friends, with family, and sometimes just on our own, but we love to do traveling. So, yeah. And grandkids, best hobby there is.
Donna is a psychiatric nurse practitioner at our Cumberland and Turtle Lake clinics.